Windscribe VPN Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all VPNs are the same, but you won't believe what happens next when your privacy truly starts to matter. Windscribe is a privacy-focused VPN service that encrypts your internet traffic and hides your real IP address. It is known for its free plan, unlimited device connections, and strong security features. The surprising truth about Windscribe is that it offers one of the most generous free plans available, including up to 10 gigabytes of data per month. That makes it attractive for casual users who want basic privacy without paying. Most people get this wrong. They think free VPN means slow and unsafe. In reality, Windscribe uses strong encryption, a built-in firewall, and a strict no-logs policy, meaning your browsing data is not stored. Windscribe is easy to install on phones, computers, browsers, and even routers. With one account, you can protect every device you own at the same time. Paid plans unlock unlimited data and access to servers in dozens of countries, improving speed and streaming access. Windscribe is best for users who want flexible privacy protection without complicated setup. The surprising truth is that digital privacy is no longer optional. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews that protect your online life.